Hey guys, welcome to this iOS 18 guide, and here I'll detail how to get shortcut app back on iPhone iOS 18. So if the shortcut application is missing on your iPhone, you will probably not be able to perform so many functions on your iPhone. So you need shortcut application to create your own shortcut command. Otherwise, you only need to rely on the default shortcut created or default shortcut application functions you have on your iPhone. Now that you have iOS 18, there are a lot you can do with the shortcut application on your device. So basically here, I'm going to show you how you can easily get back the shortcut app on your iPhone iOS 18. So if you don't know this, you found this helpful informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Literally, if the shortcut application is missing on your iPhone, you'll not be able to find it on the app menu. So if I search for shortcuts, you can see that the shortcut application is not available here. If I also go to the app library and I try to search for shortcuts, the shortcut application is also missing. Now to get the shortcut application back, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the App Store on your iPhone. Then once the App Store is opened, click on the spotlight search at the bottom right, and then search for shortcuts. Then click on search. Now once you hit the search button, you're going to see the shortcut application as the first application under productivity from your search page. Now if you see the cloud icon, it implies that the shortcut application has been installed on your iPhone before it was deleted. And if I just getting this application for the first time, you need to click on the get button and then follow the prompt. So in this case, I'm just going to go ahead and click on this cloud icon to download the shortcut application and install it on my iPhone again. So click on that. Then once you hit that, you see the shortcut application trying to install on your iPhone. And once the installation process is completed, you'll be prompted to click on open to open it, or go back to your iPhone app library and search for shortcut like this. Now to add the shortcut to your iPhone home screen, just press and hold the shortcut. Click on add to home screen. Then you should see it added here. So this is the same thing as opening it from the App Store or opening it on the page like this. See that? So that is basically how to get back shortcuts app on iPhone iOS 18. So if you found this informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.